6.0 earthquake occurred off the coast of Japan early on Wednesday morning, sending out tremors felt by those at the Tokyo Olympics. Authorities warned, however, there was no threat of a tsunami, according to the Japan Meteorological Agency. The quake, which struck around 5:30 a.m. local time on Wednesday, has an epicenter about 40 kilometers, 25 miles, from land, deep off the coast of Japan, according to preliminary reports. The quake first occurred more than 6 miles deep in the waters near the town of Hasaki, which is about 75 miles east of Tokyo, according to the U.S. Geological Survey,